may stick you in a trunk and drive you across state lines. Hi, Sophie.
Oh, they cheated on me, and I'm so mad! Oh, I have to break things, but everything upstairs in my apartment is too nice. So, run a cat, girl. I gotta break more things. Oh, I feel better. I really do. Okay. All right.
I think we just saw what it would look like if someone cheated on the Incredible Hulk.